English speaking practice. Short English sentences for beginners. Thank you. Thank you. Repeat it. Repeat it. I am sorry. I am sorry. Where are you from? Where are you from? Be careful. Be careful. Be happy. Be happy. Clean it. Clean it. Eat it. Eat it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Have a good time. Have a good time. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. How are you? How are you? How old are you? How old are you? How was your day? How was your day? I love you. I love you. I miss my friend. I miss my friend. I think that. I think that. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. It really takes time. It really takes time. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Right now. Right now. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Walk slowly. Walk slowly.